When I feel like I was gone now, and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are, I cry these tears. On our own, we've been so far. We've sworn at the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love, still true. Friends have come and gone. Some have left me alone, but I stare at these walls before they made me blue. All along my heart I've known there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why. No looking back. If I have to choose one place to spend my rest of my days, anywhere would do, long as it's close to you. Oh. I traveled so far, yet I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. Now and forevermore, as the years rolls by, I'm beginning to see that I can count on